If you've ever brewed before, you've most likely used some rudimentary beer kit like the one I have here. A couple 5-gallon buckets, a glass carboy, and some plastic tubing. If the satisfaction of combining grain, hops, yeast, and water has turned into something that you're passionate about, and you find yourself brewing more often than most folks, you've probably thought about taking the next step and investing in some high-quality equipment, similar to what I've got behind me. Some of you may have seen something like this before, but for those who haven't, this type of kit is referred to as an electric brewing system. My name is JP Emanuel, and I'm a Territory Technical Manager for the electrical team here at SOLIDWORKS. On a personal level, I happen to be a pretty big beer geek. When I visit my local beer store, I always seem to find myself seeking out that latest and greatest beer or searching for something I haven't had yet. When I'm on the road, more often than not, I find myself taking a detour to visit a brewery. A happy coincidence is that one of my colleagues here at SOLIDWORKS brews his own beer. A lot of beer. He's always showing off pictures of his brewing setup or talking about the latest batch of beer that he's made. And since it's been a while that I've used my own beer making kit, I've been wanting the perfect opportunity to weasel my way into help when I heard he was planning another brew day. So I came up with an idea. How can I take the craft or the art of brewing and combine it with what we do at work? And now that he knows my secret plan about why I'm really here, this tall guy over here is Earl Haas. Earl Haas is the director of the SOLIDWORKS Electrical team and also happens to be the head brewer of Haas Brewhouse. Thanks for having us here today, Earl.
My pleasure, JP.
Well, I know that you've got a lot to do, so I will let you get back to prepping everything and getting everything set up.
Very good.
All right. So back to my idea, combining beer with SOLIDWORKS. Well, we're going to take a deeper look into this more advanced level of brewing, a more sophisticated method and an efficient method of crafting beer. I like to call it brewing with electricity. Now, you might be asking yourself, what the heck does beer and the brewing process have to do with SOLIDWORKS? Well, actually, it has a lot to do with it. Not only are most, if not all, of the components incorporated in the system already designed in SOLIDWORKS, this system also contains complex electrical circuits which are used for automating specific processes, such as maintaining the temperature of our heating elements, as well as controlling our pumps to move water and work between each of the kettles. So as we move through the various phases in the brewing process, the electrical team here at SOLIDWORKS is producing a video mini-series. It's comprised of several tutorials to demonstrate the ease of use and the benefits of utilizing SOLIDWORKS Electrical, while continuously relating back to our brewing system. The whole idea behind this is to, well, hopefully learn something about brewing beer, but to really help us get started quicker with less fumbling around in the software, trying to figure out things for ourselves. We don't want that. We want you to be successful with SOLIDWORKS Electrical. So we're going to cover basic topics such as customizing schematic symbols, macro creation, or to more advanced ideas as creating a routing path for the 3D wires in the 3D space. These videos are intended for all users, whether you're an accomplished electrical engineer, you've just started using the tool, or just trying to figure out if SOLIDWORKS Electrical, what it's all about. A quick disclaimer is that these videos are not intended to take the place of official training through your local value-added reseller, but we also understand there's a need to be able to quickly figure out how to accomplish the task at hand while you're busy at work. While some of the videos can be found right here on our YouTube channel, we invite you to take a closer, more in-depth look at several tutorials, tips, and tricks that we've also posted on mysolidworks.com. Simply search for Electric Brewery. If you have an idea for an electrical how-to video, post a comment and the team here will work on creating a valuable video for all of our users to take advantage of. If you're a fan of Twitter, you can follow me at Swecad, that's S-W-E-C-A-D. Now let's go have some fun and start brewing. We'll see you next time on Brewing with Electricity, the SOLIDWORKS Brewery.